Hello everyone, we're Team MedAI, and today we're showing an end-to-end system that evaluates student clinical interviews, delivers rubric-aligned feedback, and gives professors a clear view of cohort performance. The problem is simple: students need consistent, actionable feedback, but faculty time is limited. Our goal is to make grading transparent, clinically grounded, and decentralized program-level analytics in one place. MedAI feedback runs on a fast API backend, MongoDB database, and a React plus Tailwind frontend. The evaluation pipeline has 4 steps. Step 1 is section extraction, where we segment the transcript into clinically meaningful sections. Step 2 is decision pathways, where we detect reasoning signals, so like onset, duration, severity, modifiers, associated symptoms, and red flags. Step 3 is scoring and feedback, where we have per section scores from 0 to 10, rubric scores across competencies, and a concise narrative feedback. Step 4 is combined output, structured JSON, return to render consistent UI, and enable exports. For reliability, we implement like a multi-provider LM fallback. So we have Bedrock, Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, and a mock provider, ensuring demos and classroom work even without premium API keys. So while that's being evaluated, we can log into the professor dashboard. So we just cut there.
So there is a small correction, like we are only using Cloud, not
Oh shit.
Yeah, there are lots. There are a lot of corrections to do.
So we will edit it in the video. So
Alright.
no worries, we do it.
Yeah, I can just like double over.
And we do it and that's like crop clean, clean according
So now we're in the professor dashboard. The statistics tab brings program-wide insights to one view. We have our totals where we have submissions, active students, completion rate, and processing time, showing system health. We have cohort analytics, which to like visualize average techno scores, revealing weak areas like low ROS scores. We have rubric analytics to show trends in structure, completeness, reasoning, and communication, pinpointing where to coach. And finally, we have student activity, which lists individual performance and engagement for outreach and mentoring. So, in short, medical feedback evaluates each clinical interview by section and checks if essential and reasoning paths are covered. It scores both section and rubric criteria and generates targeted narrative feedback. This makes grading transparent, reproducible, and fair. Faculty see where points come from, and students see exactly what to practice next. So operationally, the backend returns structured JSON with graceful error handling. Multi-provider LM fallback keeps it reliable even in restricted environments. The UI is responsive and minimal, keeping the attention on learning and not the interface. So if we go back to the student account, we can see that our evaluation is done. MedAI feedback structures interviews using medical conventions, chief complaints, history of present illness, review of systems, past medical history, social history, family history, and the clinical summary. Our evaluation rubric mirrors clinical competencies, so logical structure, completeness, clinical reasoning, communication, and medical knowledge. Feedback aligns with how clinicians teach. Did the student elicit essentials, follow logical branches, communicate reasoning, and use the correct terminology? The system is strictly educational, feedback, not diagnoses. So in the Sections tab, users can navigate horizontally to any section. For example, under HPI, the system shows the score and concise feedback, what the student did well, what's missing, what to focus on next time. This provides fast contextual coaching that's aligned to clinical reasoning flow. And if we click on rubric feedback, the rubric feedback tab rolls up performance across logical structure, completeness, clinical reasoning, communication, and medical knowledge. Below that, learners get key strengths, priority improvements, and next steps, turning data into direct, actionable learning. So you've seen how MedAI feedback delivers scalable, clinically rounded evaluation, turning every student presentation into a learning opportunity and giving educators real-time insight into their cohorts. Our mission is simple: to make medical education smarter, fairer, and more efficient.